Hello, I'm Nate. Today I will show you two types of smart fridge we have. Here we have two smart fridge. This one is based on weight sensing, and this one is based on visual technology. Let's see the weight sensing one first. Scan the QR code, open door. Under each tray, there is a weight sensor, so when I grab a drink, the machine will know what product is token. Just close the door, and the product cost will be deducted from our account. Then let's see the visual technology one. Scan the QR code, click open door. Open the fridge. On the top, we can see there is two cameras here. So it will note what product I had token. For example. Then we are good to go.